Welcome everyone, here's how you change the wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So the first step is you want to open up the settings app. Then from here, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see wallpaper and style. Then from here, you're going to see my wallpapers and gallery. So if you tap into gallery, you can select a wallpaper you downloaded into your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. If you go to my wallpapers, it will show all of the wallpapers which Samsung bring into the Galaxy Z Flip 4, and if you have downloaded wallpapers, this will also show up here. You can also tap on explore more wallpapers and you'll be brought to the Galaxy theme app. Once you have downloaded those wallpapers, again tap on my wallpapers, downloaded, and any wallpapers downloaded from the themes app will show here. Once you are ready to change the wallpaper, tap on the one you want. You will see set as wallpaper, home screen, lock screen, and both lock and home screen. Do keep in mind, some wallpapers are only for the lock screen, some are both home and lock screen, so just keep that in mind. And when we're good to go, you just tap on the option and then the wallpaper will be changed. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.